In a powerful display of devotion and solidarity, the executive governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Nuruddin Adeleke, joined thousands of Muslim faithful to observe the Eid al-Adha prayers at the Central Muslim Praying Ground in his hometown in Ede, Osun State. Governor Adeleke, affectionately known as Imole, meaning light, was warmly received by religious leaders, community elders, and a jubilant crowd of worshippers. Dressed in traditional attire that reflected the spirit of the occasion, the governor participated fully in the prayers, offering thanksgiving for peace, unity, and the continued progress of Osun State. Speaking after the prayer section, Governor Adeleke expressed deep gratitude to God for the grace of life and the opportunity to serve the people of Osun State. He called on all citizens to embrace the virtues of sacrifice, love, and communal harmony, which are the central themes of Eid al-Adha. This season reminds us of the power of faith, obedience, and selflessness. As a people, we must remain united, uphold peace, and work together to build a stronger Osun State, the governor said. He further reiterated his administration's commitment to inclusive governance, infrastructural development, and youth empowerment, urging citizens to continue supporting government efforts aimed at transforming the state. The event was marked by a peaceful atmosphere, heightened security, and a deep sense of community spirit as residents of Ede and beyond hailed Governor Adeleke's humility and accessibility. With chants of Imole to the world echoing across the praying ground, the governor's presence not only illuminated the day but also reaffirmed his position as a leader deeply connected to his roots and people. I am Joseph Iyaji, and this platform is Akahi Update. Don't forget to follow, share, comment, and like this post. Thank you. On a brief note, I want to quickly remind us that intensive tutorial for this year's post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, as well as JUPEP entrance exam to the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University is currently in progress at Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, Akahi Tutors provide decent hostel accommodation for students who are not Ife resident at a bearable cost. Contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 080 38 644 328. Thank you.